No! Just throw milk at someone.
Oh, you're gone.
This kind of freaks me out. Oh my god.
One here. I'll put the luggage here.
Okay, yeah.
That's a lot of space.
Fine. Yeah.
Good morning, guys. It is 5:55. Everyone's awake. And our flight leaves at 8:15. Ray's leaves at 8. So hopefully we make it. Dude, was he playing Vina House right now? Yeah.
Bye guys, have fun.
Bye, Tradie.
Bye. That's not gonna work.
Airport, and it is crazy in here. So busy. We've got all of our bags in. And we can finally see Jade.
Oh my god, you're not black anymore? Huh?
You're not in the dark anymore.
Oh.
Yeah, finally got in, but we got stuck at security because Jaden's Labubu was a little too emo and it had some sharp like keychain on it, so we got stopped and they chucked it out. Anyway, now we're looking for food. Nikki said he wants KFC.
Insane.
Jaden wants something light.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Like a breakfast sandwich or something.
Brekkie sandwich? Maybe over there, Toby's Estate.
Like, down to your home.
Oh, there's a place over there. I did on Toby's Estate. I'm getting a cheesy pudding and Katie's getting yogurt.
Yeah.
What are you getting? What are you getting?
Blueberry bagel. Popcorn chicken.
Popcorn chicken?
I don't think this chick knows what I'm in line.
It's okay. I'm here.
For all the gym rats out there, there's
How much protein's in there?
how much protein's in here?
You don't show me the... It is 26.8. That's pretty good. Okay.
That was good. You're the shit. You just have 3.2.
But it's chia
No
seed.
muscle.
Chia seed.
No muscle.
Chia seed's good for your digestion.
You're gonna be shitting on the phone.
No! Everyone, why does everyone want me to go to the poo? Bagel. It's just a bagel. Ooh, that looks yummy.
Yum.
Did you get the cream cheese?
Cream cheese is inside.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna walk to our gate, which is like all the way on the other side, and then we're gonna sit and eat at our gate. Fancy. Oh, guys, we have this idea that Katie and John, so John is Katie's brother, should film a morning routine get ready with me, like, because we all have obviously different professions and different routines, and then I would chop and change the angle of person every few hours. So because I got this idea because I sent the group chat this video of this tradie filming his morning routine, and it was just so funny. Like, I don't know, I couldn't get over it. And then he had this voiceover and he had the most area accent ever, so I was like, I want John to do that, and then we'll incorporate it into one video. Come on, hurry up, I'm trying to
I just took my freaking lactose pills. Relax.
Jaden, are you lactose intolerant?
Nope.
No, neither.
Okay, I get it. I'm unlucky.
I haven't had a blueberry bagel in ages.
Your biggest weakness is like dairy.
Is dairy? So weak, right?
Yeah, like you're such a vulnerable person. Yeah, he can't go like milk. Into
Just
water.
throw milk at someone.
Oh, like you're gone.
Water out of your bum. Oh, this is yummy. Yummy? I should have brought my laptop.
I should have brought my iPad. I could have played games.
No, we're talking to each other.
I don't want to talk to you.
I don't think we look related, Katie. We don't, hey.
Who said that?
I just
None
don't
of
think
us
we
look
do.
related.
No, that's not true. Me and... No, dead ass. I look like... We look the same.
Did you tell Nikki? My dad yelled at me because we dinner.
Yeah, I said that to everyone.
I got in trouble.
My mum said that you would get in trouble for that.
I know.
She actually said it first. It was funny because I started the joke and then she just made another comment about it and then she got in trouble. We're going on a trip.
Still need a shit.
We're not walking on the tarmac at least. I think we're going into a little tubey tunnel. We're right there.
Close your
Film out that window.
Wow. Whee! Oh my god. We're going. Anyways, nails.
Talk to you guys later. Maybe after the flight.
Still need to
So we
eat.
don't make people uncomfortable on the plane.
I like making people uncomfortable.
You're making me uncomfortable.
Hi guys. I like the plane. It's so please fly.
I don't know. I'm not allowed to sleep because I have to talk to Katie.
She's the one who said no devices, and then she's out here like, okay, I'm gonna go to sleep.
Yeah, no devices. I'm trying to cut down on my screen time after watching the social dilemma. This actually freaked me out.
What's it on?
Like, not platforms?
Yeah.
Netflix. It's really scary. It like talks about data collection and stuff. Me saying I'm scared while I'm literally making a YouTube video makes no sense.
Here's the menu. Let's have a look at it.
That was the flight cruise. I took a nap. How was your sleep? Not bad. But not good. Not bad, but not good. Jisoo. We are talking about lunch options, brunch. I'm saying Japanese. Like a full lunch set. Oh. Yeah, that's what I wanted. And then she was like, no, I want white food. I'm like, no, I don't want to eat white food.
Hey guys, we're here with Jaden, and we are eating here at Ichigo. What are you looking at? I've had the katsu sando. That was nice. I had the pork cutlet.
Abalone, udon, miso carbonara. I've never seen such a mixed, diverse food.
Look at Jessie's feet. The last time we were in Melbourne.
Forced myself to wake up.
Okay. Can I please get an uji matcha latte? A hot one?
Yeah.
With the tempura soba.
Flirty, dirty matcha.
Hojicha ice butter.
I'll get the shrimp cutlet with the fries.
Great. Uji matcha latte. Is that Ray's one?
Yeah.
I don't even know what it is. Yuzu espresso something. And
Dirty.
The flirty, dirty matcha.
It's gonna be bouncing off the wall.
bouncing on a trampoline, you mean?
It's gonna bounce off the trampoline into the pool. Needed a strong matcha. Not very strong. I wish it was stronger.
But chocolatey, right? Hojicha's always chocolatey.
More nutty.
Chocolatey and nutty.
Oh, that's actually nice. You know what it tastes like? A Coke float. I don't know why.
This is my food, that's Katie's, and that's the boys. And they're all taking photos.
Ichigo.
I still remember that game.
Yes, it works.
Every time I say Ichigo, that's what I think about.
One thing about
All I think about is you screaming that out after I was asleep from Conjure at night.
And I'm like, no, let's go home.
How was lunch, everyone? Or brunch? Oh yeah, yours was good. Nikki's really full. We're gonna go get them my key card and then head to our Airbnb to drop off our bags.
mall that we always go to. Just the mall.
The trams.
That's scary.
So we got to our Airbnb to drop off our bags, but I think that Uber driver beeped at people about 10 times. He has major road rage. It was like this tiniest little thing and he's already beeping at them. Yeah, they're literally just turning, like they're literally just driving and he's getting mad.
I just noticed this house is massive.
Yeah, we have a massive Airbnb with a trampoline. Everyone's excited about the trampoline, especially Jaden. He's so excited about the trampoline.
We're gonna play crack the egg. And then we're gonna play mermaids. You wanna play mermaids with me?
Yeah, but except we didn't bring swimmers, so later in the afternoon when we check in, we will do a house tour. This is a little preview, but we'll do a proper house tour when we get back and we can check in. Don't fall. But we're just walking along the water and Crown is right here. Yeah. We somehow all ended up with Slurpees from 7-Eleven.
Even though we're all sick.
What'd you get?
Raspberry.
And?
Raspberry.
Just raspberry? Nikki, what'd you get?
Raspberry.
That's it?
And raspberry.
Oh, I got raspberry and Coke. What did you get?
Raspberry, bubblegum, and Coke.
It's actually really hot. I'm surprised because Melbourne is like almost never hot. So
It's.
I mean, like every time we come, yeah.
But it's good. Good for the rave.
No, tomorrow's 30 degrees.
Yeah, good for the rave.
Oh.
Okay, we're inside now. We need to turn the lights on. I don't know which lights for what.
Oh wait,
Oh
it is
my
behind the door. Wait,
God,
there is
who
this one. Just
designed
this one.
behind the door.
What is this?
The fuck? Random living room. Game room.
Oh wow, they even have this game room is multifunction.
Down here. There is cute little dining area and kitchen. Oh, the kitchen's really nice.
This is really nice.
What's in here?
There's a lot of storage.
Oh, I like the design. And what's the fridge? Oh, there's Wi-Fi. Nice. Oh, even a bubble coffee machine. It's really cute. The bedroom down here.
I was like, why is this
Oh,
such
that's
a low
why.
base on the key?
Oh, there's another side bed there. This is cute.
Is this
this?
That too?
No. Oh, I actually don't know. Just figure
Let's
it
go.
out.
Next room. Oh, this is so nice. Just laundry. Okay.
There's a sink in there for you.
Yeah. Just for you. And I get to be on the one side.
Oh my god. Alright, let's go upstairs.
Oh, I've got pool towels too.
Okay, let's go here first. Oh, the bed frame kind of funky.
This kind of freaks me out.
I don't know how I feel about this bed frame. It's all velvety and. Huh? There's another bed.
This reminds me of your bed.
This
The
one?
material.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. You know what? Oh no, this is the towel heater. All of the light switches are in really weird locations. Oh, let's go. There's an extra room downstairs. So this is Jaden and Nikki's room. I like the bed
It's
frame.
bigger than here.
I want this chair. This is cute. What's out here?
The road.
Oh,
I'm not touching that. Go next room.
Oh, okay. That's it.
so this is you and Ray's room.
What's out here? Is that the backyard? Well, I'm getting lost in these freaking curtains. Wow, there's no end to it. That's the street. Okay, this way. And then the bathroom. So there's only one bathroom upstairs and then an ensuite, but we all share everything, so it's fine. Anyway, guys, that was the end of our house tour. Now we're gonna go get our bags from the garage. Oh wait, we have to show the backyard.
Oh, let's go.
Cute little barbecue. The pool is actually really clean. Fake grass. This is what we really came for. This is why we booked this place.
Just clean the house.
It's actually really bouncy.
Wait, can I even climb up onto this thing?
That's why you have to roll. Roll, roll, roll. Yeah, roll.
I hurt my shoulder doing that. This is really bouncy.
I told you it's really bouncy.
Oh my god.
Why does your shoulder hurt?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm feeling motion sick. Wait, stop. How do I get off? I'm actually really far. Oh, there's a little egg chair over here. And the pool.
Oh, they have like a full antenna. Like satellite.
Oh my gosh.
In ages. Oh, there's a
International.
There's 2 rooms.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Did I forget how to do it?
Did we? No. This is so embarrassing.
You know what this is like?
The Wii Fitness.
Oh my god. Yeah.
And you have to catch them. How do we forget how to do it?
I don't know. I haven't done it in ages.
What?